bring this wire in the back here and
do it on the inside.
do it on the inside.
Oh, plus it probably looks better.
It does. It looks better than a big old clumpy bundle of tape on a wire that looks like you had to do this in the parking lot. Nothing against doing it in the parking lot.
We've done this in the parking
We've
lot.
had to do it every time. Do a little bit of silicone in the hole there where the wire comes through, so less chance of collecting water. Don't forget where you came from. It originally was a boat trailer. Another 20 years of service, ready to go.
Good job, babe.
Homeowner requested that I crawl underneath the house to inspect his ductwork, and he was insistent. The biggest guy on the job somebody had to crawl into his house. And I had to crawl into the house, which is on sugar sand, and the trusses underneath the house were too big for my chest to fit. So I had to dig my way to the next set of trusses, and then after halfway into the house, I'm like, I'm not doing this anymore. But the guy insisted that I use his cell phone to record it, and I had no idea how to use his phone, so I thought that I hit play. I crawled 10 minutes underneath this guy's house. My shirt looks like I dragged it through the yard. I got sand in my pants, and I walk out and I hand him his phone. There's nothing on there, so I get to do it twice.
Aww, that's so sad.
That was a personal sabotage day. It had to have been. I needed to learn some patience.